Intoxication is too much intoxication for y'all. This girl is all over the place.
As a skunk. My head to death.
This doesn't mean anything.
Your flight already left, man.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so mom's probably already gone.
How do I get home?
Oh.
What's going on, man?
How much intoxication is too much intoxication for y'all? This girl is all over the place.
She's been like coming up in and out of here, or
No, she just like she can't even walk straight.
yeah, working?
She was nice.
I mean, we don't do nothing about that. She's fine, but she just, as you can see, she can't even walk it.
As a skunk.
Yeah, I don't know if y'all
She
care
might
about
hit
that.
the
I'm just
deck.
letting y'all
She
know.
might hit the deck.
This doesn't mean anything
I swear
to
that
us.
she was handicapped.
Can we bring her back this way instead of her processing through?
On December 22nd, 2024, at Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, officers responded to a reported intoxicated traveler at a security checkpoint. The outcome here is legally defensible, but the path officers took to get there contains a procedural weakness worth dissecting in detail.
Okay.
How are you? Hey, what's up, man? I got you, sir.
Hello, man. How you doing? Can I talk with you over here?
Sure.
All right. Your stuff. You get your stuff.
Anything you want? I have nothing.
Yeah, no, I just got a couple questions. You have anything to drink today?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you have to drink?
I had Miller Lite and
We're not asking to do anything. I'm not trying to search or anything right now. I'm just asking you some questions. Okay. Are you about to fall over? You can put your hands by your side. Let's go over here. We'll talk to you. Okay?
Come sit down over here. We'll get them.
Over here?
Come sit down.
okay.
So what did you have to drink today?
I had a Miller Lite and
You said a Miller Lite?
yeah.
Okay, how many?
2.
2? And then what else?
I had a Fireball.
Fireball? Shot? How many shots did you have?
2.
2 Fireball shots and 2 Miller Lights? Anything else? No? You got your driver's license?
You have my license?
It's your. Can you grab it for me?
I didn't know we did something wrong. I'm so sorry.
He said saying was stumbling and he looked pretty off balance and stuff
Oh
like
no,
that.
I was confused.
No, I said your driver's license.
Oh. You realize I'm going home right now, right?
Where are you going home to?
A husband.
Where?
A husband.
Oh, your husband? Where's your husband at? Is that where you're heading to, Missouri?
Yes.
Alright, thank you.
I know we couldn't drink when we're not with our family. I know.
702.
I know we couldn't drink when we're not with our family. Problem.
You said what?
I know we couldn't drink when we're not with our family.
So having alcohol is not a problem,
Right.
but when it's to a point where you are off balance and you could do
I had 2 beers and 2 shots.
Okay, and all I'm saying is the way you're off balance and you're flying by yourself, that makes us concerned that you could hurt yourself or possibly hurt somebody else. So that's why we're here.
I'm very tired.
I understand that, but that's what we have to do our investigation, okay?
The mom has she's here with me.
You're who? Where's your mom?
She needs someone here.
Oh, okay.
You have her phone number?
Can we call your mom?
331, yeah.
Hold on, give me a second.
And she left you in the checkpoint?
No, she was confused about what's going on. Help me.
What are you looking for?
Her number.
Do you want me to look in your bag for your phone?
Are you
Yes,
looking for
please.
your phone?
That's not your phone. Gonna be the phone.
This is my phone.
Okay.
Her mom's number.
I don't see a phone in here.
It's not in the.
Is that in there? Yeah.
Those are her. Oh. TGI Friday. This is the receipt.
Do you know where you're at?
What does it say
Yes.
on there?
It doesn't. It doesn't. It just says that it was
It's at
approved
8:15 p.m., right?
Yeah, maybe.
at 11:45. I guess so. She's flying the Frontier to Chicago, I'm guessing. Yeah, there's no. Well, your phone's not in here.
Right here. I'm sorry. My phone's It really is.
Sit up.
I'm fine.
Okay.
That's why I get my shoes on.
Okay, I got you. So, you say your mom is here,
Yeah.
and she flying Frontier with you as well
Yes.
on your next flight?
Yeah. I pay for everything.
Okay. Well, let's see if we can find out what gate you're going to.
Okay.
Yes. It looks like 3244. Yeah.
Are we done?
Not yet, ma'am. No.
We're not. How old is your mom?
75.
Your flight already left, ma'am.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so mom's probably already gone.
How do I get home?
Oh.
You know me?
We do that.
Okay, I appreciate that. So let me have that.
Put that in your bag.
So what's about to happen? Paulette, right?
Yeah.
You're about to go with us. Okay? You're going to be under arrest for public intoxication.
I'm not
You're not what?
I'm not drunk.
Ma'am, you were drunk and you said that you had 2 shots and 2 beers.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah, you're stumbling.
And you're by yourself. Because it looks like mom already took the flight and left you, right? So you're not in a position to take care of yourself right now. So you're going to come with us. Go ahead and stand up for me.
Put your hands behind your back for us.
Did you possibly urinate on yourself?
No.
No? Okay. The seat was kind of wet, so I was just trying to see. Okay. So it's just, you're going to go to our holding facility. You're going to get some time to, you said you're tired, so you can rest, and then they'll be able to let you out after you sober up a little, okay?
I would never just.
Oh, okay. Well, this has nothing to do with Frontier. I'm going to take your necklace off and put it in your bag, okay? All right. Let's head on out.
Let's go on here.
And you're going to go in our car, okay? You got it?
Yeah, she's gonna stumble.
I had to.
Walk her slow.
Yeah, just slow, slow. Small steps.
Are you serious? I never fly to Charlotte again.
I understand, we're just trying to help you out.
You're fine. I love Yelp. You'll never get up from your phone. Yes, sir. Never do Frontier.
Alright.
Never do
Let's go out
Frontier.
these doors right here.
Never do Frontier.
The arrest is grounded in Texas Penal Code Section 4902, which criminalizes public intoxication. Critically, the statute does not punish drinking. It punishes intoxication to a degree that may endanger the person or another. Mere consumption, even substantial consumption, is not the offense. Endangerment is the offense. Officers must therefore build probable cause on observable indicators of impairment, not on the number of drinks admitted. Here, the endangerment element was properly supported by articulable facts: solo travel, missed flight, disorientation, and no reachable responsible party. Under Atwater versus Lago Vista, a full custodial arrest for a fine-only Class C misdemeanor is constitutional when the offense occurs in the officer's presence. Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 1401, subsection B, supplies the parallel state authority for warrantless arrest on view. So far, the constitutional posture is clean. Reasonable suspicion ripens into probable cause through direct observation, and the arrest itself is authorized. The procedural weakness emerges at the search of the subject's handbag, framed on camera as consent to help locate her phone. Under Schneckloth versus Bustamonte, consent to search must be voluntary under the totality of the circumstances. Intoxication is not automatically disqualifying, but it is a factor courts weigh heavily against the government's burden. A visibly impaired subject who mishears basic questions is a poor candidate for a valid consent waiver. The cleaner path would have been to defer the search until arrest was effected, then conduct an inventory search under South Dakota versus Opperman. That same search then becomes per se reasonable under United States versus Robinson as a search incident to lawful arrest. Nothing was seized, no evidence was suppressed, and no motion was filed, but the doctrinal exposure was entirely unnecessary.
Relax. Exactly.
Do you know your daughter's number? By chance?
Shit's on my phone.
Can you, what's your name again?
Paulette.
Paulette.
She's Gabriella Barnes.
Okay, Paulette, I need you to spread your feet for me. There you go. Perfect.
I don't care.
Okay, I have to check, okay?
I don't care. I don't care anything.
I'm just letting you
Can
know
you call
what.
my daughter?
Do you know your daughter's number?
Shit, no.
Okay. Well, we'll have to worry about that when we get to it. We can't find your cell phone, so we don't know what's going on with that.
Oh yeah, it's like right in my baggage. You couldn't find that, right?
Okay.
No, man.
We did not find it.
First
Be careful.
Watch out, there's a step.
Okay.
Step down.
That's it.
Okay.
Call my daughter.
Okay. Hold on.
All right. She's
All right.
please.
On use of force, the analysis under Graham versus Connor is straightforward. Only guiding hand contact was used against a compliant arrestee. Reasonableness is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision, and this record easily satisfies that standard. One additional statute deserves attention. Texas Code of Criminal Procedure Article 14.031. That provision authorizes release of a public intoxication arrestee to a responsible adult in lieu of booking. That off-ramp existed on these facts but collapsed when neither the subject nor her mother could produce a working phone number. The officers therefore made a defensible choice to proceed with custody rather than release to an unverifiable caretaker.
And you don't know Gabrielle's number? Yes, sir.
Okay, let me out.
Okay, this is what's about to happen. You're about to get another search, 2 more searches, and you're gonna go through our jail booking process.
That's
All
fine.
that stuff.
I can't get out.
Okay, well, I'm about to help you
Help
out.
me.
Wait just a second.
Okay.
All that stuff you were talking earlier, Miss Paulette, we can't have that in this jail, okay?
Can I just
You can do whatever
cut
you
me
need.
out?
No. Bring your feet around
Yes.
towards me,
I'll do whatever you want.
okay?
I'm gonna do whatever you want.
Okay, take your time
This is
getting
all
out.
this house.
Okay,
Okay.
you're
Wow. This is very nice. Thank you.
good. Okay, so we're gonna step in here.
Yes,
I'm gonna do another search.
Turning to grades, the officers receive an A-, deducted only for the intoxicated consent framing on the handbag search. The subject receives a B for full cooperation offset by attempting commercial air travel while significantly impaired. The department receives an A- for a professionally executed, well-documented encounter reflecting sound training. 3 practical lessons follow. First, endangerment, not consumption, is the statutory core of public intoxication in Texas. Second, never build a consent search on an intoxicated waiver when inventory or search incident to arrest doctrines will do the same work. Third, the release in lieu statute is a genuine off-ramp, but it requires a verifiable responsible party, not merely a nearby relative. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.